Guys, it's an 𝗙𝗨𝗟 from Audio Direct, and in all honesty, I don't even know where to start with this one. This has got to be the nicest Hummer H2 in the whole of the UAE, and that's a bold statement, but just take a look at this thing. The amount of work that's gone into this particular vehicle is absolutely astounding. Honestly, the list, we're going to get a comprehensive list of all the work that's been done, but suffice to say, it's on a different level. There is not a panel on this that has not been touched, fettled, upgraded from something as the side lights all the way through. The whole vehicle's been resprayed. It is flawless. Wheels, tires, under chassis, mechanically absolutely sound, and the interior on this thing is just incredible. These seats, for you car guys out there, you might recognize them. They come from a BMW 7 Series, a BMW 7 Series and a Hummer H2, okay? Full custom leather, stitched with the contrast with the blue, and of course, Audio Direct's in charge of all the audio, and it's got the very first Tesla screen. We've also integrated wireless charging. It's got 360 cameras, 2 microphones on this thing, black suede in the roof lining. Every single speaker has been upgraded. The audio is such a shame we can't show it to you. It's fantastic. Little tweeters in the door. Those things are just awesome. Very hard to get speakers to fit in the rear C-pillars on these cars. We've got the Infinities in there. I mean, the quality of this work is absolutely unsurpassed. The team's cracking on, and there's still a huge amount of work to be done. We have to calibrate the 360 cameras. We need a kill switch for the front and rear parking sensors that we've also put on. But honestly, the thing is coming up a treat. You can see the work going on here. Even the rear lights have been upgraded. We're so proud to have been part of this job. And the nicest thing about this, it's not even the car, it's the owner. He is one of the most polite, humblest guys you will meet. He's given us time, freedom to select the items, and then he's just trumped up and said, yep, crack on with it. You guys know what you're doing. So he leaves the experts to do their business as well. Absolute pleasure, honestly, to have worked on this thing. We can't wait till it's finished. We're going to do a proper photo shoot on this. It deserves it. So an 𝗙𝗨𝗟 from Audio Direct, signing off, about to jump in and take this Hummer for a cruise.